Silver is a chemical element with the symbol Ag and atomic number 47. It is a soft, white, lustrous metal that is valued for its beauty and conductivity. Silver has been used for thousands of years for a variety of purposes, including jewelry, currency, and industrial applications. One of the most distinctive properties of silver is its high reflectivity, which makes it useful for mirrors and other reflective surfaces. It is also an excellent conductor of electricity and is used in a wide range of electronic devices, including computers, phones, and televisions. In addition to its use in technology, silver has a long history as a precious metal. It has been used for jewelry, coins, and other decorative objects for thousands of years. It is also used in the production of silverware and other decorative objects. One of the most interesting properties of silver is its antimicrobial properties. Silver ions have been shown to be effective at killing bacteria and other microorganisms, making it useful for a variety of medical and hygiene applications. It is used in water purification systems, wound dressings, and other medical products. Silver is found in a variety of minerals, including silver sulfide and silver chloride. It is typically extracted from these minerals through a process called smelting, which involves heating the ore to high temperatures to separate the silver from other elements. The majority of the world's silver is produced as a byproduct of copper, gold, and lead mining. The top silver producing countries are Mexico, Peru, China, and Russia. In addition to its use in industry and as a precious metal, silver has a number of other uses. It is used in photography, as a catalyst in chemical reactions, and as a component of various alloys, such as sterling silver. Over the centuries, silver has had a number of symbolic meanings. In many ancient cultures, it was believed to have mystical and healing properties. It was also associated with the moon and was sometimes referred to as liquid moonlight. In modern times, silver is still seen as a symbol of wealth and prosperity. It is often given as a gift for special occasions, such as weddings and anniversaries. Despite its many uses and symbolic meanings, silver also has some negative environmental impacts. The mining and refining of silver can have a number of negative impacts on the environment, including air and water pollution. In addition, silver mining can also disrupt local ecosystems and displace indigenous communities. Overall, silver is a versatile and valuable metal that has played a significant role in human history. Its beauty, conductivity, and antimicrobial properties make it useful in a wide range of applications, from jewelry and coins to technology and medicine. However, it is important to consider the environmental impacts of its production and use.